Welcome to our factory. Our factory located in Hubei province, 1 hour drive from Wuhan center. The factory covers a total area of 5,200 square meters and including areas for storing gray fabrics, cutting section, ironing groups, sewing groups, and a final production line. Let's go, I will show you around. This area is where we store gray fabric. Once the dyeing process is complete by the fabric factory, the materials are sent to our garment and will be stored here until start for producing. And here is where we place our cutting machine. It's automatically. You can see the machine handle cutting and fabric laying, while the only manual task required is to check that the fabric is laid out smoothly. Once the machine lays out the fabric, positioning paper is placed on the top. The worker will use the positioning paper as a guide to cut the fabric into pieces. The pattern make design fabric pieces in the computer system. This approach helps to maximize fabric usage and minimize waste. After the fabric pieces are cutted, they are sent to the ironing group for secondary pressing. Workers draw alignment lines on each pieces of fabric to ensure that the size, pocket, and other details of every garment are accurate and consistent. This is our custom designed micro alignment board, which ensure that the size and placement of the velcro are accurate and free from discrepancies. And this is our sewing group, where various fabric pieces are assembled and sewn together. After the sewing group has completed stitching fabric pieces, they are placed on hangers and mounted onto the overhead hanging system. The hanging system will transfer the pieces to the garment production line. This is our production area. We have a modern 10 production line and can accommodate up to 300 workers. Our output is 20,000 sets per month. Now we can see the workers are stitching the inner lining and attaching the front chest pocket. There are many steps for making one jacket, like inner lining, chest pocket, and sewing the sleeve, the cuffs, and snap the buttons. This all long process cuts a pleasant jacket. Wow, it's interesting. As we can see, the worker placed the buttons in a specialized carousel, and as the garment is positioned under the machine, a button is automatically dispensed onto it.
Sewing the pocket. A complete trouser pocket is now finished. Workers are sewing the belt loops onto the trousers. Now is sewing the elastic waistband onto the trousers. After this process, the trouser leg hemming is completed.
Finally, the garment moved to the finishing section to pressing and ironing. Here is our quality control section. The worker is inspecting the complete product and taking out all the loosening thread and dust. The quality inspector checks each garment to ensure it meets our standards. Every single piece is must inspected. Here is our complete uniform set. We can see the quality is perfectly done.
Quality inspection and packing are carried out here. These are the uniforms that have completed quality inspection and packing. Once they are boxed, they will be shipped to the customers.
This uniform is anti-static. You can have your own choice, like we can offer you anti-acid and flame retardant, as you wish.